Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I will be teaching you how to use the AI filter on TikTok. Let's get started by opening the app. At the bottom of the landing page, there should be a plus icon which you have to click. That should bring you to the TikTok camera. This is where you can edit your TikTok video with the AI filter. And in order to use the AI filter, you need to click on effects located on the bottom left. That should show you all the trending effects at the moment. And since AI is not here, you have to click on the magnifying glass and just look up AI manga. Select the top one on the list. And now you have the option to either upload a photo or tap the screen. For this example, I'll try to upload a photo by clicking on the plus icon. And now all I gotta do is wait. And there you have it. I now used the AI filter on a photo successfully. Let me show you another example, but this time using a video. Back on TikTok camera, make sure that you are on video mode and then press the record button. Now we just have to wait for the results. Here's mine. You can also add some music by clicking on Add Sound at the top of the page. For this one, I will use Future. And this is the final result. That's how easy you can do it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more videos like this. See ya!